Are you worried because your P5 child is not coping well learning math? Do you know what can help the child do better than good grades for exams? The short, quick answers to the two questions are: 1. PSLE preparation should begin at P5, in fact, the earlier the better, and 2. Learner development by coaching. Doing what the school and teacher can't do for your child is the key. Singapore School's approach to learning primary math has problem solving at its core. Our math curriculum is designed and intended to develop learners into problem solvers. Learning math involves understanding concepts and applying skills at the same time to solve problems. Mathematical concepts to be taught and understood are hierarchical. Mathematical skills to be acquired and developed are logical. So, what a student can do now to solve problems will depend on prior knowledge and acquired skills. These characteristics of math make its teaching and learning relatively more challenging than other subjects. The school caters to big diversity of different learners and learning needs, and your child's teacher has a big class of many students with different learning needs and challenges to cope with. Most parents are at a loss not knowing these learning needs and challenges their child face in school. No wonder so many students struggle and are left behind learning math in schools, especially without the right help and timely support from the parents outside school. Learner development by coaching is the key to help students cope well learning math in school. Coaching is intended to fill in the teaching-learning gap, doing what the school and teacher can't do for your child. This is also one main reason most P6 students don't do as well for mathematics as they ought to for PSLE. Many who did well didn't continue to do well in secondary school. Do you know why? To do well for PSLE and lay a strong foundation for secondary education, students face two challenges. First challenge: focus is given to grades often at the expense of laying a strong foundation early. Earlier foundation laid will not only affect a student's present academic performance, but how well the child is able to cope at higher levels down the road. There's no quick fix for the problem of a weak foundation doing more of the same. The solution often involves unlearning and relearning guided by an experienced coach. This is where the learner will struggle most when not given the right help and timely support. Second challenge: very little done to develop a student's metacognitive skills. Metacognition is about the learner's ability to formulate, select and use different strategies for problem solving. Developing metacognition enables a child to become capable of self-directing, self-navigating and self-regulating learning with positive attitude and motivation to learn. Unfortunately, metacognitive skills can't just be embedded in classroom content teaching. By the teacher, be taught, learned and acquired in class, as a class. This is where learner development by coaching can help. In view of the two practical challenges, the runway to prepare for PSLE in P6 is deemed too short. This is why you should consider giving your P5 child a head start with academic coaching in math. If you want to know how I can help your child, leave your email below and we can be in touch soon.